So today I bought a cordless drill machine, so I thought let's check the cord drill machine that I'm using since last 10 years. So that one is from Bosch. You'll see there are no stickers. Suggest the model number. Yeah, no, here it is. So this is like GSB-13RE Bosch original. You see this? This one is like 38 centimeters, and this way it's around 31 centimeter. If you see the badging here, like it's cool. The handle is also like of good quality. Okay. I think I have to open it using both of my hands. Yeah. So a few of the things I have replaced. For example, this one was not with this drill set, and I think rest everyone is what came with this like 10 years back. So let's start this one with the actual tool. This is the drill machine, the GSB-13RE Professional. So it's forward reverse, like you can set it from here. And here are the two modes. If you'll see, this one is like the impact, and this one is the screw mode. The chuck, if you'll see here, this one is rusted little bit, but it's still working fine. The size is like 13 mm. Yeah, you can also see this 1.5 to 13 mm. It's in good condition, it's still working. Okay, and switch here. This one is like this chuck, you can just keep it here. This is like a cool thing, yeah, so that you won't lose it when you're working. Okay, what else we have here? So this is like, let's see what it's written here. If you'll see, 220 volt, maximum diameter for drilling is 13 mm, 2800 revolution per minute, for RPM 600 watt, 2.7 ampere. That's the rating. Yeah, like this way you can hold it. Since last 10 years it's supporting me in various tasks. Yeah, and these are some of the less used accessories I got. This one I have used. Comparatively more compared to other accessories. If you'll see here, spirit level then we have adjustable wrench. This one I have not used, rarely used. So I have other wrenches of good quality. Then what we have here is combination plier. You can see it's rusted. These accessories are not of that good quality. This one is also rarely used accessories. This one is like when I bought. It didn't came with this kit. I bought it maybe for some job. Here this one is the hammer. And this one is used. It's lightweight. It's also rusted, as you can see. Then this part. This sockets kind of thing, like for nuts, and one place like where I have used it today is like the self-drilling screw, number 8. I used it there. Otherwise, don't remember using this specific accessories. Okay, here's the interesting thing. Yeah, this one I have used, and this one also. The depth gauge. So let's see this first because it's interesting. So here if you'll see the mechanism, then if you press this, you can insert it here. Okay. So here if you see it's not going. If I press it, it will go. You can set the depth. Okay. This is like the screw to tight or loose this specific handle. The way it works is you just have to put it here. Yeah, this way. You can just then screw it. Then here if you see closely, you will see the teeth. Let me show you. Yeah, there's teeth for this part. Here also you can see it's damaged during one of the work I was doing a few years back. So this way you can set the depth. It's useful actually. Why? Especially while you're digging it in like walls, brick walls. Let's keep it aside. The tape. This is not good quality. The simple one. And it's only in metric system like centimeter. Let it do the job. You don't get that feeling. You can see it's making noise also. It has this locking mechanism. Okay. Next we have. So as you can see, 2 metal bits that I had was broken. the number you will see here 4, 5, 6, 8 for this wooden bits, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 for the masonry bits, and for metal bits it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There, the screw I have already used. This one is the one that I bought. It didn't came with this box. And these are the other bits. Yeah, it's the same one which I have in my other Bosch tool set. Then we have this cutter. Yeah, this one I have used sometimes, and this is for holding it other bits like this one. Let me show you. This way, and this part goes here inside this. The way this works is you have to use this chuck. I will remove this part, show you this hole. Once I have injured myself while doing this part. Yeah, this way you have to like tight and loose the bits. Okay, let's keep it aside. This part, if you see, here you can keep your screws. Okay, so now let's keep everything. You know, this part is also a little bit difficult in the sense like how to fix it, how to put everything in place. Earlier it was like, especially for this part, now I remember how to, which side we have to put it. Okay, so there goes this hammer. Let's put the cutter here. Then let's unscrew this part. And let's put this here. The speed level. Then let's put this combination point here. Then the wrench, adjustable wrench will go here. Yeah, the one of the most or the best part about this toolbox is like the box itself. Otherwise in 10 years I would have lost half of the item, misplaced it. So because of the box, every time I end up doing something, inspect whether all these boxes are filled or not. it's fit. Now it's time for this. And yeah, you have to be careful while using this. I'm telling from experience. Okay, let's keep it here. Let's keep this part here. Okay, now the drilling machine cord. Just put it like this also, it's fine. Put it here. The extra accessory that I got, just put it here. Just ensure that this plug is here. And now let's inspect if you have everything in place. Once you see everything in place, just press it, close it, and keep it for the next use. So thank you to this toolbox for being with me for such a long time.